This seat.
This seat here, yeah. So you've never done anything like that?
No, not really.
I think there's sometimes a tendency to specialise a little bit early, but actually approaching things through, the lens of different subjects can help you understand a topic much, much better.
I think what surprised me the most about careers is definitely the amount of potential that you of the careers that you can go into with the liberal arts course.
I think there are so many things that make the liberal arts courses here at St Mary's special. I think the most important thing is the way in which we're able to work really, really closely with our students. We really get to know them, they get to know us, and it's just such a pleasure to see them progress over the time they're here.
I really like the lecturers. They were really helpful, they were really supportive, and just the content and the way they go about teaching it makes it really interesting.
I think that the campus is small appealed to me as well. The fact that you're not just one in thousands of people on a campus, you actually are known by name, your tutors know you as your fellow cohort do.
We're right in the centre of South West London's cultural heritage hub. We've got really good connections with places like Richmond Arts Service, other heritage and charitable organisations.
My project involved doing the Guilds of London, and I actually got to go in to see two guilds, the silversmiths and the goldsmiths. Just things that I never would have normally done in my life. This course has definitely given me the opportunity to kind of open those doors.
You get to think about the ways in which heritage organisations work, the way in which arts events and festivals function, so you can really, when you leave university, contribute and engage to the arts and the humanities in a really, really positive way.
Thank you so much.
No problem.